Today we're talking about kale, and you've read it all over. You've seen it on videos. Other people have told you that you should be eating it, and why? Why should we be having it? Number one, why should we be growing it? Because look at it, it's so easy. You either sow it by seed or you buy the little seedlings, pop them in, and look at these healthy guys. I mean, they just grow and grow, and the more you pick them, the more it grows. One of the highest sources of vitamin C, because remember, our bodies can't store vitamin C. One of the highest sources of that, great in fiber, awesome for eyes, anti-cancer. The list goes on and on and on. And anti-inflammatory, this is your one. In fact, per 100 grams, a bit of kale, fresh kale or cooked kale, will beat any inflammatory drug out there on the market. So if you want to pop it in a smoothie, make a salad, or just chomp on a bit in the garden, it works. Okay guys, fresh kale from the garden, good enough to eat. And you know, kale raw is not bad. It's kind of like a coleslaw, it's cabbage. That's what it is, it's part of the cabbage family. Today we're going to be making one of the quickest salads, beautiful, nice and easy, and really, 3 ingredients, nice and simple. So we've got some beautiful eggplant, aubergine, brinjal, good plant to use. Okay, so I'm going to grab a knife, and we want to take the top off this baby, and take that end off over there, and then we're going to whack him down through the middle. All right, and we're going to make some beautiful thick slices of aubergine. Okay, so I can even go there, and then I'm going to go along here. So we're going about 5 mils, and let's just get them. Now the trick with aubergine, of course, is to get it cooking as soon as possible, because if you don't, it starts oxidizing, and that's when it starts going brown, and then you think, oh, it's gone off. Something can't go off in like 2 minutes. So get these guys. This is so quick and easy, and for those people on the run, this can be done in a couple of minutes. Right, so let's get this pan on. A little bit of olive oil. Before you put these guys in, make sure that your oil is hot, or else all it does is the aubergines, they're so porous, they just suck up all the oil, and that's why people don't like them, because they say, ew, they suck up all the oil. But actually, it's got nothing to do with that. Make sure that your oil is hot first, because then they will simply fry as they're meant to do. Add a little bit of salt, a bit of pepper. And that is just perfect. Can you see? Ooh, nice, crispy on the outside. They're going to be soft on the inside. All right, guys, let's get down to the kale chips. Now, they're really easy. All you're going to do, depending on your taste, so you're either going to just take off the end like that, okay? And I'm going to leave a few like that just to show you what they end up with. So that is going to be 1 times chip. Okay. Or the other way that you can do it is you can just slice it down the side like that, and you can take the spine out. Now, I don't mind the spine because it gives you that extra bit of crunch. So we're going to do a couple like that and a couple the other way. Very soon, these beautiful green leaves are going to turn into the most crispy, delicious, yummy chips that you will ever have eaten. So it's really easy, guys. In a nice big pan, a little bit of oil, ordinary veggie oil, and these guys can get a bit excited when you put them in. So just take caution, pop them in, and they are then going to start frying up. And you see, there it goes. Pop the lid on a bit so that you don't get any oil splatter. Alrighty guys, kale chips, you'll see that we've put them on a little bit of roller towel here just to suck up the excess. You can simply take that and flip it over again, and that's going to take off all the excess bits of oil that you've got there. But now it's time to plate this baby up. This is so yummy, so a bit of your aubergine, place that at the base. All right, there we go. And we want to do some feta. Alrighty, and then on top, we're just going to throw our kale chips, and they are so crunchy. You hear that? They are crispy, crunchy. And they go on. Bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And we have got jam-packed antioxidants, vitamin K, vitamin C, everything you need to be healthy.